First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut off the stem here, or this little hard piece, just like this, okay? And then you can see the leaves on the outside, they're a bit bruised, a bit worn and dirty. I take those off, then I'll usually cut mine in half, like that. Now you don't have to cut it in half. You can leave it whole if you like. I like to cut mine in half because I like to put them in my skillet down like this so we can get that nice char on this side here. And at this point is where I put them in the water and I let them soak. So I'm gonna do one more here. Cut off the stem. I take off these outside leaves that are a bit worn, tattered, and sometimes some of them are really, really kind of icky soft, the kind of softness that I really don't like. Cut a little bit more. Okay, and then I'm going to cut it in half here, just like that. Then I'm put it in the water, and I'm going to let that soak. Whenever you let the Brussels sprouts soak like this, then all of the dirt and grime falls to the bottom of the bowl here, and then at that point is when I pour this dirty water out. I'll put some more water in, and I'll rinse the Brussels sprouts off again a second time, and then I'll do it a third time. 3 times a charm. Okay, so guys, I'm going to pair up these delicious smoked turkey legs with our Brussels sprouts. These turkey legs I get from Walmart. They are already cooked all the way through. All I have to do is put them in the oven for about 20-25 minutes, only because they're so thick, to heat them all the way through. So I'm gonna put these in the oven and have them heating all the way through while my Brussels sprouts finish cleaning and I cook them. And so dinner will be ready in about 25 minutes. Okay, so we have our Brussels sprouts here. Our pan is getting nice and hot. And I have this on medium heat. So I'm going to add olive oil to the bottom of my pan here. Let that get hot. Here, I'm going to drizzle a little bit more olive oil over the top. I'm going to add salt. I'm going to add pepper. Okay, now it's time for our smoked turkey legs to come out of the oven. Oh, that smells so good. That's some good eating right there. That's some good eating right there. All right, I'm back and it's time to taste. Take a look at that. Those delicious caramelized Brussels sprouts. Olive oil, salt, garlic, amazing. So, get some of my smoked turkey here. Delicious. Always delicious. Smoky flavor. Really, really good. Now, for a Brussels sprout.
Get this one right here. All nice and caramelized there. See that? This is some good eating right here. Quick, easy. Ready in about 20 minutes. As always, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification button, hit the bell next to subscriptions. Okay? Until next time, happy healthy eating.